Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning sa ating mga kananay dyan. So today is Monday, first day of work there in the Philippines and another Asian countries. So today I will give you another health tips para sa mga katauhan sa ato ang mga kababayan di ana or anywhere in a country which is suffering floods or there is hurricanes. So my topic for today is about leptospirosis. Leptospirosis, it's a disease which is taken from the infected urine of animals in contaminated water. Okay? So commonly now sa Pilipinas, baha sa Pilipinas sigig ulan. So ang water diha na sa Pilipinas karon labi na sa mga area nga kanabitang kuan na kanang stagnant na kaayo ang ilahang mga canals or something na dili maayo ang flow sa ilahang tubig. So usually ang water di ana is mas stagnant sab, so naay mga urine sa mga animals, so makontaminate ang water sa ulan. So leptospirosis is a disease caused by bacteria which is affect people and animals. It's spread in the urine or the pee of infected animals. So leptospirosis risk often increases after hurricane and flood when people have contact with contaminated water. So mao na siya. Kung ang mga tao is in contact with contaminated water, so because they don't have any other access kung asa sila mulakaw, umato sila sa ilang trabaho, so mulusong yun sila sa tubig. So wala sila laing choice. Okay, so tagaan ta mo kung unsay mga sintomas sa mga badlation. Okay, signs and symptoms of the leptospirosis. So mao ni siya: high fever, red eyes, abdominal pain, headache and muscle aches, chills, rash sa inyong mga kalawasan, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, yellow skin or eyes or jaundice na ang color sa inyong lawas. So, ang bation nimo is naa kay taas nga fever, taas gyud as in moabot gyud siya og 40. Dayon ang imuhang mata is mag-red na siya ang color. So mamula imong mata, dayon naa kay abdominal pain, magsakit ang imong tiyan nga dili siya mag-relieve. Dayon sakit ang ulo, sakit imong lawas, sakit ang imong mga kalawasan tanan nga dili masabot. Dayon magkurog-kurog na ka, mag-chills. Pagkahuman na anay rush ang imong mga skin. Anang wa ka kasabot unsa na mga pula-pula di ana sa imong lawas. Dayon bation na ka o kanang kasukaon pero wala kay masuka, then vomit, then diarrhea. Then yellow skin or eyes, mag-yellow na ang imong entire skin. So kung makita na ninyo sa inyong mga loved ones sa inyong family or sa imong kaugalingon is adto na gyud mo sa pinakaduol nga hospital sa inyong lawas. So if you are coughing of blood, have blood in your poops or pee, so mao na gyud na pinaka delikado nga sintomas. So bantayan ninyo ang mga sintomas nga inyong pamalation. So you have to watch the symptoms that you are experiencing. With all the symptoms I've mentioned, you have to go to the nearest hospital in your place. Okay? So, ana na siya, mao na siya. Okay, so ang pinaka-worst nga signs and symptoms sa leptospirosis, it will start in 3 to 10 days. So, magkuan na siya. It includes chest pain. So, magsakit na ang imuhang dughan. Then, maglisod na ka og ginhawa. So, you have chest pain, then trouble in breathing. Then, you have severe yellowish of your skin and eyes na. So, mao na siya severe. Dayon, black tarry stool. Kanang black tarry stool, ang imuhang kuan, ang imuhang poops, gani siya kay mag-color, mag-itom na siya. So, meaning na ana siya mga blood clots na naanay bleeding dito sa sulod sa imong internal organs. Okay, so mao na siya ang pinakagrabe. So kinahanglan moadto na gyud mo sa inyong pinakaduol nga hospital. Okay, so paunsa man na siya makuha? How to get the spread of leptospirosis is through the contact with contaminated water or directly touching the pee or other body fluids from the animal with leptospirosis infected animals. Okay, so una na siya ang mga pamaagi kung paunsa nimo makuha ang leptospirosis. So, getting contaminated water or soil in your eyes. So, kanang makahawid ka sa mga contaminated nga tubig, dayon wala ka naghugas sa imuhang kamot, dayon makaka lang kag anak sa imong nawo, mas kinaasa pang anak nimo. So, ang imuhang kamot is infected, so ma-infect ka sa leptospirosis. Labi na katong mga tawo nga naay mga breaks is sa skin nila, na sila mga sama dahil lusong sila sa tubig nga contaminated. So, kaka-acquire sila og infection sa leptospirosis. So, unsaan man ang treatment? So, what is the treatment of leptospirosis? Usually, leptospirosis is treated with antibiotics, okay? But if you are in mild symptoms and there is redness in your eyes, you are keep and watch and follow up para ma-monitor ang imong situation without medication. So, follow up ka sa imong doctor every now and then. So, for those severe cases, if lungs are infected with bacteria, you may have a hard time of breathing and need the help of machine to breathe for you. So the provider will give you medication to keep you asleep while you're connected to the machine. So nahanglan na gyud og ventilator kay maglisod naman kang ginhawa. Okay. So isa po siya sa management is plasmapheresis. So, plasmapheresis is called plasma exchange. So, plasmapheresis might help you if you're at risk for organ damage from leptospirosis. Okay? So, during this procedure, your provider removes your blood using a tube attached to the vein. Then, a machine separates your plasma from your blood and replaces it with plasma substitute. So, murag ilahang salaon ang imuhang dugo. So, ilahang kuhaon ang imuhang plasma. So, ilisan nila og bago. So, your blood is then returned to your body through another tube. So, duha na siya ka-tube. Mura siya exchange ana. Pwede po siya ingon nga dialysis, pero same like mura siya o kanang dialysis. Kay aman siya kuan kanang exchange sa plasma. Okay? So, ilisan kuhaon siya, i-drain siya, dayon ibalik na pud siya, pero bago nga plasma. So ilabay na to ang imuhang plasma. So okay, so now here we are in the prevention of leptospirosis. So unsaon nato pag-prevent ang leptospirosis? A vaccine for leptospirosis isn't available. So the best way to prevent leptospirosis is by not swimming or wading in water that might have animal pee in it. So, maglikay na lang yun ta. This includes floods water. Other ways you can reduce your risk includes taking preventive medication. If you're traveling and at high risk for leptospirosis, ask your provider about taking medication to keep from getting sick. Okay? Prophylaxis ang atong tawag ana. Panagana ba? So, avoiding animals that could have leptospirosis, wearing protective clothing and shoes if you work with or around animals. So, mag-gloves gid ka o mag-shoes. Okay? Wearing protective shoes and clothing if you have to be in contact with water or soil that might contaminated with bacteria. So, avoiding water spots and swimming in lakes and rivers after floods. So, dili maglangoy-langoy. Pero ang sa Pilipinas, usually, kung magbaha-baha na gani, agoy lipay, kaayo sila kay maglangoy-langoy na sila dito sa water sa baha. So, delikado. Okay? Drinking only treated water. Don't drink water from the lakes, rivers, and canals without boiling it first. So, wearing gloves if you have to touch dead animals. Don't touch them with your bare hands and wash your hands thoroughly afterwards. Then, covering open cut wounds with waterproof dressing. Okay, guys? So, mauna siya ang prevention. So, unsaon nato pag prevent para dili ta maka-acquire of leptospirosis. So my video for today is too much long, so hope you have to watch and finish my video so that you can learn something from this health tips. Okay guys, have a happy Monday and thank you for watching. See you next time.